Hello everyone, here is a videos of hunting bees. I request all the viewers to watch the video till the end so that you learn how to hunt the bees. So this is the egg. By this we are going to cut it. As we are in village because of COVID-19, so we are not possible to do anything. Our duty is that we always going for hunting. We use the bark of the tree to save us from the dangerous bees. Most of the bee trees have large inner hollow. Hollow, which means having a large empty space inside the tree, often with an upper and lower entrance. They are living in it. So this is the bark of the tree that we use to save us from the dangerous bees, so that we could easily cut it the tree without any harms. So right now we can see the hips Okay, you may learn some technique by watching this video. So thank you so much for watching. And some bees are very dangerous. They always aim to attack us. So then we try our level best. So we'll see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.